Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike and founder of the MOJO Day Trading. Let me redo the scene, see if it works. Hold on. Something should have popped up. There we go. That's me. I'm Pro Trader Mike. I'm the founder of MOJO Day Trading. And welcome to the MOJO Day Trading Show, the pre-market live stream. I could say, the #1 day trading show in the world. The guy that trades live. The guy that shows everything. Let's go show some of that everything in the Mojo room. Say good morning to the guys. What's going on, everybody? This is me. I gave out the video. Delete that. All right. Loud and clear. Everything's coming in. Let's do a test on YouTube. Make sure that's coming in. All right. Let's see what we got. Let me just copy the end of this video so that I may connect to my audience and check it out. All right, guys. So tell me if I'm coming in loud and clear. That would be nice. On the tuber. Good morning. Let's do some scanning and see what's hot and what's not for the morning. Got CNBC going. Let's see what this guy's got to say.
Loan guaranteed from the government to furnish to
and we'll go through some stocks. Cheers. Good morning.
The A380, the big behemoth that's now going out of production, and the A340. So it's pretty dry, but there are
We'll wait for some good guys to come onto TV. Let me see if I can undo the mute from this angle. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. All right. So top one on the list is this DOVA. DOVA at $27.90 by $27.91. It's up $7. DOVA Pharmaceuticals. So probably they've done some action and so forth. Alrighty, folks. Let's get back in and see what's hot from the top of the list down. So the futures, they're pointing in the upwards direction. Let's see what the futures are looking like. They're up 7.5. The S&P futures. Up 225 now. They dropped. Dow futures are up 19. As a comparison from a little bit ago, let's take a look and see what that's done. I did one over in the Mojo room. There we go. So S&P futures was 29.71, up 7.5, and this was up 60 on the Dow futures. Wow. And now they're up 19 and 225. Let's take a look at UVXY and see what that's done. On the 1 minute chart right here. Yeah, UV's gone up nicely. Heading through 27 right now. 26.95 behind 27. Very interesting. Something happened there. Let's see what these guys are talking about on the CN.
The issue at heart is subsidies that are being
Boeing
paid to
and
airline
Airbus,
companies or
still a bad topic.
manufacturers.
Let's check out SPY's dropped dramatically right here. Got Apple up $1.70, 220. Microsoft 137.93. I like this stock. This has been the greatest trading stock. The ROKU, yeah, it's on the daily, it's down, but there's just look at all the support right here: 96, 98, 96. It's 98.41 was the low today. 98.08 the low the last trading session. The stock is a great one to trade. Let me get live in the Mojo room. Hey, fire it up. What's going on? Billy Cole, new Mojo. You're Billy. Welcome to the room. Let me change your name. Welcome back, Pro Trader Cole, to the room. Welcome back, Pro Trader Cole. There we go. Beautiful. Pro Trader Cole back in the room. Nice. So yeah, I love ROKU today for trading. Love the ROKU. 99.18 by 40. Looking to trade that at the open beautifully for sure.
Yes.
All right. Cole agrees with me. Like Lulu down here, filled in this little gap. It's very strong along this 193 base right here. 193, 193, 193, 192, right along this beautiful base. Any kind of weakness, I'm all over that on the ROKU. Great trading opportunity. Oh, it was Lulu. I don't want Lulu. I wanted, yeah, actually Lulu does look good. Doesn't matter what the symbol was. I was playing it off the numbers. Netflix. Netflix is alright. DocuSign. Delete. Twitter. Twitter solid down here for a good trading stock at 41.45. Goldman. Disney. 130.11. Disney's down here. Gonna hit 127 stopping station on Disney. CVS. 62.13. Target 106. A lot of these stocks are hefty up there. I don't like any of them really. Only for scalping opportunities. Never to own and hold overnight. They're all pretty scary. AMD down here at the bottom is a good trading vehicle. AMD, good trading vehicle today. UVXY right at Heinz 27 now. Should go through. There it goes. Just Heinz 27. Looking to go to test 28.33 and 28.14 on UV. These two numbers. This one and this one. And that one was 28.33 and 28.14. 28.14. 28.33. Those two numbers. So it's got some moves to move on the UVs. It goes through that. You're looking at a serious breakout to $30 on UVXY. TVIX holding strong at 14.25. Has the same pattern. Has to go over 15.11 right there. Touchy 11 goes right up. I guess this one is 15.06. Very close. See what they're saying on TV.
Outperform from a prior neutral at Wedbush. The target price goes to 16 from 14. They elect stabilizing and growth in earnings in the next couple of years, as well as a strategic plan for non-core asset sales. Those shares now up about 6% daily pre-market. I'll send things back.
1045 by 1049 on 60,000. Looks real good for a 2-day move on BBBY. BBBY looks real good. Adding that to the list down here.
Can't just inherit 4,000 days.
Dad, I'm not saying
Taxes.
So let's hit, we already went over UV Heinz 27.
I can buy the business.
So UV Heinz 27 right there. Let's look at JDST up 84 cents at 16.75. Has made a move from 12.74 right off stopping station. All right. You guys down $1.23 at 14.81. All the way straight down from 23.80. This is coming into a move here. DGAS up $9. UWT is 10.86. DWT 532. I remember trading it off this down day at 356. It's 532. It's amazing the moves these things are making. Crony baloney. And Kroner, that's CRONER. Kroner in the room, yes, is CRON the symbol. Absolutely. See what we got. What do I think about Trex? They're asking me. What do I think about Trex for a swing trade? It might break 377. It's a very high number. It's at 77 by 92. The bid's 77, the ask is 92. Doesn't even trade. It trades $500,000 a day, very steady. I hate it. What's good about it? Doesn't have any Ken Slim. Need the Ken Slim. So let's head back and look back at Tilray. Tilray's looking good down here, $25. Tilray used to be $300. See what I pull up on the weekly. The weekly up here, Tilray's come from 106 to 27 stopping station. Tilray's a good buy right down here. So is Canopy Growth. From 50 to 23, lost half its value. Very strong down here with a quad bottom at 22.76, 23.20, 23.10, and 23. It's a very, very strong. May send this out for today's swing pick. This is the weekly chart, though. Look at the daily chart. Yeah, the daily's looking hot, too. I like CGC. NBEV again. I'm going to save these. CGC. 930. I also like NBEV's coming up next right here at 285 by 90. This is where I bought it last time. We sold it up to 340, 330, 325. I'd like to do that again right here. Very solid bases on that. Very, very solid down here. NBEV. MLSS is my swing pick a couple of weeks ago. NBEV rebuy on 930. So we got some guy in the room. Came in, says Medi. He likes the MLSS action. MLSS is a swing pick for Mojo. Right here, I'll show you the MLSS swing pick. It's right here. I picked two of them last week. One was on 922 and The other one was on 9-1. So the first one I picked was Stage Stores right here on 9/22 at $1.44. I had shown you this one last night. I couldn't believe how much it went up from $1.44. Stage Stores is $2.05 right now. Look what it's done from that first bar at $1. It's made 5 more of them. Can you believe that? I went over that on the Sunday Swing research the other night. And that's SSI Stage Stores. I picked it on 9/20 down here. You can see the date. That's on Sunday evening. And the one right with that was right here on 9/1, August 30th. Milestone Scientific, same move up on a 99 relative strength at 94. At 94 MLSS. It's at $1.04 right now, and it's got volume, and it's moving. You can see ask is $1.04. It's got a nice volume bar of 1,000,001. It's heading up through the top of that at $1.04. I'll look at it on the weekly. Oh, the weekly looks beautiful as well. Thank you for showing me that. Lycus 428. Very good contributor on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Who are you in my room? Are you in my room? Who are you? Patrick Weiland's now live. He thinks he's the #1 day trading guy, but he's not. You can't be #1 in a year. You gotta be doing it for a long time. So let's go to the next one. I like that BBBY through Mini Hines. We're gonna play that at the open. That's 1050. Right there. Definite action on that. BBBY was mentioned on the CNBC, and it will be mentioned throughout the day. And I'm a CNBC guy now. That's the BBBY Mini Hines 1050 move, and into 11. Can run. Yeah, it definitely can run. Mentioned on CNBC throughout the day for sure. Let me do a chart on BBBY. I'll do a 5-minute. Oh, the 5 minutes looking beautiful, guys. Just went through 1050. It's at 1060 now. That's that BBBBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. Pretty good. Just posted it on Twitter too. All right. Yeah, looking good there. So let's see what else we got. Alrighty. NBEV, gonna send out the newsletter. I'm gonna get that ready right now, actually, while we're speaking. If you're a member of the Swing newsletter, you're gonna get my picks now. Here it is, Mojo Swing newsletter. Broadcast. I'm gonna just put up the 3 picks. Stocks for today right here. 3 hot stocks for today. I gotta copy that one. All right, here's 3. The first one I like is CGC and NBEV. I'll put up NBEV first and then CGC after that. So I got those 2. What else looks good today? I'll throw up another one. What's hot? BBBY. Right here. Let me just look at the daily. Yeah, could make a definite move over 1104. On bet BBBY, definitely can make a move over that, which is 1104. Keep it up in rail grind right there above 80%. Little risk, high reward through 11 on BBBY. Definitely going to have the volume. What else do I like today? Yeah, but not for the swing newsletter. So I like NBEV at 280. I like CGC at 2350. 51 actually. 277 to 82 on that. 251 to 55 on that. Entry, add higher into $24 or lower. Wait for me. How about that? And this add into 290 on the NBEV or lower, just wait for me. And the other one is BBBY, which is just going to be in play today. BBBY 1050. Entry, add higher into 1095 or lower, none. One way only. Was mentioned on CNBC. There you go. Those are the three. And today is Monday. All right, good to be a member of my newsletter. So 9:30, 3 hot stocks for today. Boom, boom, boom. 3 charts are correct. Boom, boom, boom. BBY, CGC, and that one. Perfect. Save. Send. Send to all my subscribers, only of the Swing newsletter. Yes. Bam. Send. Done. Nice to be a member of that.
I think the administration really plans to make every effort it can to get reelected. And so I think when we come out of this, and the markets have been so resilient, the third quarter may have been just edging slightly higher, basically.
All right.
Flat with a pop.
Great. Let's look at the next stock on the list. Mine's more exciting. He's talking about one boring thing. I got a lot of good things going on this screen. This is the DOS Trader platform, one of many platforms with speed and execution and no latency that I like to use. Been using this platform for 15 years. It's awesome. Let's look at Snap Attack. That's Snap down here at 16 with a base at 1570 for a bounce off Snap. I like Snap today. Snap's got a nice little bottom here coming. Little bottom there. You can see the this is the main bar right there that's holding up that Snap right there. Let's see, further down the list, Overstock 1129 came straight from 2975. Also very based and bottomed here, looking good. We've been trading Overstock very well. Lyft also down here, same as Overstock, very, very well on that. Trading Uber very, very well. I love all these stocks. That are the bottom bouncer qualities right now. Fran, kind of don't like it, only if it makes a move towards these top bars at 1650. Willing to give up a point or two there, because once it gets over that, you can play it to 20. Here's Yuma. Yuma may spark up again. Volume 787, so I'll remove that from the screen. David's T, I'll trading one share, I'll remove that from the screen. Fran, I'll remove from the screen. I'll set an alert and trigger. Do I have time? Yeah, 9:11. So watch, I come up to the platform and I go Setup, Tools, Alert and Trigger. Right here, I'll show you what I do. So I'm going to show you how to add an alert right here. So you click alert and trigger, and then this box comes up, and then you put in, we're going to go Fran alert. The symbol in the next box is Fran. Then you scroll down to this add button and you go in item. We're going to go when the level 1 bid is greater than or equal to, let's say 1590. I want to know when it gets to 85, because at 1590, it may go too quick. So I want to at least know at 85. I don't want it to go over. No, it'll just beep once, and then I take it off that loop, and then I hit OK. And now that alert will happen on Fran once it touches that number. And that's how I just did that. It's really cool. And then RADA, that is a swing peg. Take that off. AIMT, taking it off. Net, I kind of like Net as a trading stock with some other ones I'm going to put down here, which is SDC, Smile Direct. Was an IPO. Peloton, PTON. MDR looked real good, trading it last week. CRC, taking this one off. And then we got BBBY, which is 1045 by 50. No signals yet in the level 2. Now let's head over to the gainers list. And we'll see what's hot and what's not for the gainers. All right, let's head on over there. So this cup is not coffee. Granola. Yummy. So let's head over here. Let's see what this Dova is. And I'll take a look for Ramey on INMD. Intramag 2250 took a dumping down. I really don't like it, to see if we can catch the bottom here. I really just like it only if it's heading back towards this $29. I really don't like it in here. It'll bounce around in between these bars and test this one of 1926. So if it gets to 1927 stopping station, 1951, I think that's a good buy, Ramey, on that. Is 1951 INMD entry from traders wrong here. Wait 3 red bars like UV. It's always awesome on the way up, and then when it comes down, you're thinking, oh my God, I got to get it. It's never going to be this cheap again. And it keeps on going lower and lower, 3 red bars. So kind of do that kind of strategy. Let's look at FBio. It's $1.30 by 47. Same pattern as all these other ones we've been just looking. INMD, not INMB. Yeah, I did INMD. Yeah, I knew that. Yeah, I did. That was INMD. Protesters in Hong Kong. All right, let's head back to the gainers. Let's look at this FBio. $1.30 by 47. Traded 4,000 shares, piece of crap. See, this is the kind of stock that'll be front run by like Ross in another room. They're like, dude, I could buy 10,000 shares for myself, and then I'll call it out to the room. It'll run 30 cents, and I'll make $3,000, and everyone will lose, but I'll make $3,000. Maybe one or two other people will win, but I'll make $3,000. And then I can make a video saying how I saw this on the Gap scanner, up 8%, and it had a smaller float, so I liked it. So that's the one I called. But you didn't tell everybody you bought 10,000 shares before, which you're doing right now. So this one, beware. Fortress Biotech may get a flash run up and a big, big letdown, and then go down all day long. FBio. CKPT next on the list. 262 by 78 with a big spread. So the bid's 262. The ask is 278. Show you behind me. See, the bid's 272. The ask is 270. This means if someone buys the ask with that large spread, it'll go through $3. And it's only traded 3,000 shares, so it's a piece of junk. But that's what will happen. We got to watch that one for some volume going in. I can put it up on the bottom. CKPT. And here's another kind of alert you can do. Let's say on this CKPT, I go to Tools, Alert and Trigger, add an alert. I go CKPT Volume Alert. And then I go CKPT for the symbol in that box. I go Add Item when the volume is greater than 50,000 shares. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 100,000. No, we'll do 50. 50. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Get the loop off. Hit OK. Now I got 2 alerts set for today. One on Fran and one on CKPT. So let's look at the next one on the list. Digital Alley, DGLY, 133 by 137, same kind of pattern, deep down and a little gap up. See that? Deep down, little gap up. Deep down, little gap up. All of them, same. Every one of these, not Badova, 1, 2, all have the same exact pattern. Really deep, long drop down and a drop up. A lot of people burned all throughout here. I don't like Trovergen, even though it's got a lot of volume. Traded 6 million shares here and went up $1. It's only up 9 cents right now. Traded 869,000 shares right here and went up 40 cents. This is Trove. Who knows what I'm doing in Mojo University right there? Trove. What did I just do? What did I just do? Bohan, Ramey, Hopper, Rento, Stevo. What play did I just do? The first trade play I've ever done, ever in trading.
Economics of a software business, the market sees through it, and I think that's
It's at 156 by 157.
It has an app, but it does not have software economics.
Or Peloton,
Good example.
which is indicated to open lower again today.
Here's the thing about Peloton, though, and Smile Direct is it's not just, the public market doesn't like the valuation. It's in the moment, the bankers thought they had demand behind them at the IPO price, and they didn't. So there's something in that transaction and that reading of the market that has been off lately. Right? Named it price at the high end, right? At the very last minute. And then we saw what happened. Still to come this morning, an important interview. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell is going to be with us. We'll get his take on trade and the chances of Congress passing the USMCA. Obviously, we'll talk about.
So right here is what I just did. It's called the 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 = 4 winning formula. How much would you pay for a crystal ball? $1,000 for 5 picks? 5,000 for 50? Here's the crystal ball. Let me show you. It's a winner. Come over to this stock, 157 by 158. The last time it made a move in the past history, it traded 1.4 million and went up 40 cents. If it was up 40 cents right now, it wouldn't go a lot higher. But it's only up 9 cents. So it has 35 cents, 30 cents to go. So if you add 30 cents, 40 cents to 158, it puts it right at 198, which is Heinz $2. Then it rips through that and goes to 211 and flashes to 228 today. And it's 157 from the past history of the 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4 formula. It's the 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. Right there. And that's Trove, Trov. 157 by 158. To match this move, 40 cents. This move, 40 cents. This move, $1. And it's showing a volume history repeat of it the same way. Do I have time to send that out in the newsletter? To keep an eye on Trovagen. I want my swing P. I don't want to miss one. I don't want it to be the big winner, and then they're like, dude, I saw your video, but you didn't send that one out. I can send out another one. I don't want them to miss that one. My tech's up here too. MITK at 952. I'll send that to Trovagen. I got time. At 158. There's one more. Trove. 158. Entry there, add higher into 190 or lower, none. All right, Trove. All right, one more hot one going out. Good, it's out. I gotta send it because if it's the big winner of the day, then people aren't going to get it. All right, guys, thanks for watching the show so far.
For one more cut, or you think even that's a risk?
I think that is a mild risk. I think they should, but I think the markets may be seeing it as a mild risk in about a couple of weeks. I don't think anybody's focused on the repo thing as much as they should, and we'll see if that picks up.
Some of the hot ones is the net.
Opening bell
Neptune Wellness.
5 minutes away. Stay tuned. You're watching Swap in the Street.
TRNX, 41,000 at 186. Hate that stock. Lost money in a swing trade holding that, a lot of money, and a lawsuit against the company that never knows.
Criminals threaten our way of life.
We're just trying to do what's right.
Amazing. You make an investment in the company, and they do crazy, stupid crap, and the stock loses half its value. You can't do anything like that.
entitled to substantial compensation.
You did it.
If you or someone you love, you
Live with what you
were
did.
diagnosed with cancer. Call the
They ain't
number on
giving
your
it
screen
back.
now. Don't wait. There may
I
be
see
time
it.
deadlines
I
at
see it, my man.
Call
That's our winner.
650-2549. That's 800.
The signal's not big, but it's, you know, it's like a smaller indication
During
right
City
here.
Furniture's semi-annual sale, you can work from home like
Ad.
this for $4.99. Spend time together
Right there.
like this for $6.99. And gather like this for $8.99.
1065.
24 months, no interest, same-day delivery, and convenient online
Signal.
shopping. We're making it easy so everyone can live like this.
Now.
Through the AT&T network, edge-to-edge intelligence gives you the power to see every corner of your growing business. From using feedback to innovate, to introducing products faster, to managing website inventory and network bandwidth, giving you a nice big edge over your competition. That's the power of edge-to-edge intelligence.
All right, everything seems to be working good. My show. Thanks for watching my show today.
A bright shining city on a hill where there won't be any financial problems. But what if there are? That's why Assured Guarantee protects your principal.
I'm going to turn it off so I can start to concentrate now on the room and the trading. If you'd like to come to the MOJO Day Trade room this afternoon, I'll go over website and what's happening. Right here, I also have this new list of MOJO screening stocks that I'm watching. These 50 right here. So I got to sort it by intraday price change right there.
Customers trust LD for damage
And see what we got hot and what's not for the day. So later on, I'll see you later. Everyone have a great profitable day. Peace. Keep it profitable. Later. Thank you for watching the show. Give me a nice subscribe in the bottom right corner.
Never stop working toward perfection. Old Dominion, helping the world.